Hello, today I'm going to show you how to center a close selection, and it works the same as merge and center, but in our case we just want to maintain these cells. So how do we merge a center? How do we center a close selections? So let's say you can highlight, we want this, the first one and the second title to be centered across the selection, but we have differences as it is like this. So we highlight the rows that you want to merge and center across, that you want to center across selection. Then you come here on this alignment here, click on this arrow here. On alignment, click on horizontal here and select center across selection like that, and OK. And as you can see, the cells are still the same, the cells are still present, but as you can see, the titles has been centered across selection. So that is how you center across selection. I can repeat it for you. I just do the undo button here. Then what you do, you highlight the two columns or the two rows or the rows that you want to center across selection. So highlight them. Then on the alignment here, click on this down arrow here, this one alignment, and then click on the horizontal part, click on center across selection like that, and then OK. And there you have it, centered across selection. Thank you and see you in another video. Please subscribe.